The food is put in Jesus' hands, and he thanks God. And he distributes the food, and the disciples begin to distribute, and they begin to gather. And if at any time, and this is part of, I think, the implication in the text, if at any time the disciples take that meal out of Jesus' hands, the miracle stops, the feeding stops, but it stays in his hands, and he continues to multiply and multiply and multiply. So the food is put in Jesus' hands. On the other side of the equations, we think of what the disciples were supposed to do. The disciples took what they have and they gave it to Jesus. Their act of faith was to take something small and to obey Christ, to place it in his hands and let him do with it what only he can do. And this is important about faith and our understanding of faith and what it means. It is not their faith that feeds their crowd, but their faith in Jesus. Faith is not an emotion. We don't have faith in faith. We don't gin up faith. We don't scrunch up during worship and go, I have more faith now. It's a perpetual act of trusting in Jesus. A perpetual act of trusting in Jesus. With whatever it is that we have, whatever our level of trust or faith in him is, as long as it is in him, that's the point. Notice, friends, the resources they had were insufficient, but the resources that God had became overabundant.